To copy and paste a file on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, so you can duplicate the file in the same folder or in the different folder. To do so, open My Files app. Navigate to the folder where the file you like to copy is in. Long tap the file to select it. And then tap copy icon at the bottom of the screen. Now navigate to the folder when you want to paste the file you have just copied. And then tap copy here icon at the bottom right. You can see that the selected file has been copied to the selected folder. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.